Hello everyone, this is Vidya Salam from Pace Media, and in this video I want to talk about search engine submission. One of the major steps to be taken, what you need to do for search engine optimization is submission of your website URL, website domain to the search engines like Google, Bing, X, Yahoo, etc. And you can go to Google Webmasters or Bing Webmaster and you can sign in and submit your URL. But there has to be a better way, a better platform where you can submit your URL to all major search engines from the same platform on one click. That's what we want. We don't want to go to every webmaster tools of these search engines and separately submit. And that is Attractorcom. They have bought premium and free services, and free services is enough for us. You can sign up the free account and log in and go to my accounts. I have already signed up and log in. You can add as many as you want, add many websites here in the SEO tools, and I will add another website. Okay, I will submit this website domain. Validate website. Okay, it is saying that it already used. Okay, and then I will submit this trial website. Validate. Okay. The good thing about this Attractor is that for the validation you don't have to do anything. For example, in the Google, for the validation you have to insert a HTML code in the website, or you have to upload a HTML file in the web server. But in this Attractor, users have to click on validate site and it has done everything for you. Now click on add site. Now this site has been added, vidyasagar.azhost.com. now go to tools and click on get in Google. Complete this step, create and submit sitemap. Yeah, you don't have to create the sitemap by yourself. They will do that for you and submit it. By default it has been submitted to Google, Yahoo, Bing, X, and go to your SEO tools and Google Blacklist check. It checks if your website or URL has been blocked or banned by Google. Now it is saying you are not being blocked by Google. And third step is link building. Link building is very important. And it is taking some much time. Internet is little slow today. Here you can build the link. Why build the link? This information you have to enter your business name, address, first contact name, last contact name, country, zip, phone number, etc., company description, category of website, etc. Important of this is that this is the thing you will see on Google search. On the right side, sometimes you will see Google business page. Yeah, business page, Google business page, providing some information, say Elementor. here such information, or sometimes in business okay, they will provide you such profiles. Say it is John Abraham website, johnabraham.com, and they will provide such profiles and links. On this business, any in business page website, you will provide some information data in the right side of the search engine, and such data are generated from this data provided in the link building. You can do it, but for me now I will skip and show you the 4 steps. Here, verify your submissions. You have to verify the submissions you have submitted in the first step, and then this is all. This is quite easy. You have only 4 steps. This free SEO tool provided by Attractor is very good. I have been using this for years in my search engine optimization activities. It is free and easy. You just have to sign up in this free account and add the domain name and click on this, click, and you can follow the steps. You can they have provide many say premium services too. If you want these premium services, you can buy it, and even if you don't want to buy the premium services, these 4 tools, 4 steps of free SEO tools of Attractor is quite complete and enough. Now you don't have to go to Bing Webmaster or Google Webmaster to submit your website. It has been already submitted to the Google, and Google will or Bing will crawl your website regularly. And you can see the result of your you can see your website within a week, and between 3 months and a week to 3 months, between 3 weeks to a week to 3 months. And it depends on the data or your website for the search ranking. As you have known, search ranking depends on many factors, but once submitted, you will find the result within a week. It may not be, your search result may not be found in the first page of the Google search result. You may not find on the first page, but you can find your website in these following later pages. But if your website is properly designed and you have good content, then you will find your website in the first page within 3 months, and without doing anything or paying anything, without paying for any AdWords or anything or any paid services. With these free tools, you will get your search rank in the first page within 3 months. And yeah, this I want to show you these good Attractor tools to you, and thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting me. If you have any questions or doubts, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or contact me.